Hello friends. There is an interesting concept which is called as judgment on admission. In the matter of judgment on admission, the court need not conduct lengthy trial. It can give judgment based on the admission of the opposite party. For example, the plaintiff files any suit, say suit for eviction of the tenant. The tenant is the defendant. The defendant won't file his written statement at all. Then, according to law, the plaintiff version is deemed to have been completely admitted by the defendant. Then, by operation of Order 8 Rule 10 of Code of Civil Procedure in India, even without recording the evidence of the plaintiff, if the court is of the opinion that there is no inbuilt inconsistency or doubtful circumstances in the plaintiff's case, even without trial, the Honorable Court is competent to decree the suit for eviction filed by the plaintiff based on the concept of judgment on admission. In the same set of facts, let us imagine the defendant filed a written statement. In his written statement, defendant admits that he is the tenant under the plaintiff, but takes some other frivolous defenses, something like plaintiff is not the owner of that rented or leased premises. Then, one thing is very clear. Defendant in his pleading categorically admits that he is the tenant under the plaintiff. The tenancy period also came to an end by efflux of time. What was another frivolous defense? The plaintiff was not the owner of that rented premises or shop room. That kind of defense is prima facie not available to the defendant because it is hit by principles of estoppel under section 116 of the Indian Evidence Act. A tenant is estopped, not permitted to deny the title of his landlord or the owner. So, considering the admission of the defendant that he is the tenant of the plaintiff in respect of suit schedule premises, when there is no reasonable or legally acceptable defense in the written statement, even without trial, by virtue of power under Order 12 Rule 6 of Code of Civil Procedure in India, the court can definitely decree the plaintiff's suit for eviction. So this is the concept regarding judgment on admission. Thank you.